Double your crypto. Is it actually possible? Well, yes. How do I know? I've done it many, many times with Infinity Traffic Boost. And Infinity Traffic Boost, also known as ITB, is one of the most powerful Bitcoin accumulation and crypto advertising platforms I have ever seen. And I've been working with ITB for over 6 years, and I have doubled my crypto many, many times. So how would you like to double your crypto? Well, it's very possible. And welcome to the Double Your Crypto series. And if you're serious about this and you'd really like to double your crypto, then you're absolutely in the right place, because it can be done if you go to work and if you do the step-by-step process that we share with you in this series, and if you take it seriously. Part-time effort will give part-time results. Full-time effort will give full-time results. And this is completely up to you. Some of you can do this in 90 days. Some of you can do it in 1 month or 30 days. Some of you will even do it in 1 week. And for some of you real go-getters, you may even do it in 1 day. You choose how fast you go. You choose how much crypto you want to double. You choose everything. It's all in your hands. But you have to go to work. You have to follow the system. And if you follow the system, we see no reason why you can't double your crypto. So welcome to the series. We are so happy you are here and so looking forward to getting you started. And if you're ready to get started and you really, really, really want to double your crypto, in the description and in the messages down underneath the video, you will see a link to the second video, which will help you get started. Welcome, and let's double your crypto.